How to insert a logo in CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a logo into your video using CapCut. Whether it's for branding or for a watermark, adding a logo is super easy. So let's get started. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Import your main video by tapping Add from your gallery and it will appear on the timeline. To add your logo, tap Overlay at the bottom menu, then select Add Overlay and choose your logo file or photo from your gallery and it will be added as an overlay on top of your video. Once the logo is on timeline, tap it to select it. Use your fingers to resize it and position the logo in the review window. You can place it in the corner, at the center or anywhere you like. If you want a subtitle watermark effect, lower the opacity and tap the logo. Scroll through the bottom menu and select opacity and adjust it to your preference. Also, don't forget to extend the logo's duration in the timeline so it stays visible throughout the video. Once everything looks good, play your video to review the logo and that's it. If you are happy with the result, tap export to save your project. And voila! Adding a logo in CapCut is quick and easy and it's a great way to brand your video. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.